I went to libraries and bookstores, watched cable TV, made lists and diagrams, talked to a holy Sikh man in Iron City, even studied the occult, hiding the books in the attic so you and Denise wouldn't find them and wonder what was going on.
All this without my knowing.
I answered the ad and was interviewed by a small firm doing research in psychobiology. Let's call the company Gray Research, although that's not the true name. Let's call my contact Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray is a composite. It was the only way I could get Mr. Gray to let me use the drug. It was my last resort, my last hope. First I'd offered him my mind, now I offered my body.
What do you know about the Sierra program?
Reckless mystery men you guys send in when you can't officially send anyone else.
The Gray Men.
Officer K, D6-3.7. Let's begin. Constant K, you can pick up your bonus.
Thank you, sir.
I just don't know who I am without you.
You're Ken.
But it's Barbie and Ken. There is no just Ken.
Hey, you've been getting on fine without one.
What's that, madam?
A soul.
No one knows how hard I tried. 'Cause I'm just Ken. Anywhere else I'd be a 10. Is it my destiny to live and die a life of blonde fragility?
What if I'm in the movie?
What do you mean?
I mean, I'm in the movie. I'm Sharon Tate. That's me.
But that's the girl from Valley of the Dolls.
Now, the motion picture that shows what America's all-time #1 bestseller first put into words.
Gotta get hold, gotta get.
Sharon Tate as Jennifer. International sex symbol, victimized by everyone.
So here's Margot Robbie in a bubble bath to explain.
Got it? Okay. Now fuck off.
What?
She took the blue pills.
Go to hell with him. Let him droop.
It was the only way I could get Mr. Gray to let me use the drug.
And honey, let's face it. All I know how to do is take off my clothes.
Well, that's me. The girl from Valley of the Dolls.
Really?
Really?
It's the best day ever.
It is the best day ever. So is yesterday, and so is tomorrow, and every day from now until forever. Do you guys ever think about dying?
I just can't believe that we're all marching towards non-existence. All of us. It haunts me, Jack. It won't go away.
Baba, everyone fears death.
But Mr. Gray said I was extra sensitive to Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray is a composite.
Good morning. I'm here.
Now fuck off.
Captain Boomerang. And of course...
Hey guys, sorry I'm late. Had to go number 2.
Good to know.
And direct from Australia, the Boomerang bow tie.
Coming red.
We're in a butcher's freezer house, surrounded by dead hogs hanging on hooks. Only they don't know it yet.
Leave him alone, Boomer.
Why? What's the significance? I don't know!
Exhibit Q!
These arrows here show the exact position of the sun and the hour of the crime. Jupiter was aligned with Pluto. The moon was in the south. Please save your questions until I'm through, Chuck!
Well, when will that be? A long time we wait. We've been here for over 3 hours now, and I'm not sure if any of us can see what all this is supposed to mean.
Supposed to mean? Supposed to mean? I think everyone here knows what this is supposed to mean. And you've gone over something again and again and again and again, like I have. Certain questions get answered, others spring up. The mind plays tricks on you, you play tricks back. It's like you're unraveling a big cable knit sweater that someone keeps knitting and knitting and knitting and knitting and knitting and knitting.